What's up everyone? I just wanted to give you a quick update on the latest version of my TVBoxSpecs app. This is version 1.5.6 that features the new summary section. It has improved RAM type and RAM size detection, better surround sound audio format detection and audio pass-through. I also added an explanation of what actually happens between hardware decoders and software with built-in decoders and what's actually reported by the app. So to get this latest update, if you have subscribed to my email list, you will receive a link directly in your inbox, so please check your spam folder in the event that it gets filtered. If you are watching this video, you can also use the link in the description to access the download page. And on this page, you can also subscribe to receive updates via email as soon as it's released. And all I ask in return is that you support the work that I do on this app by subscribing to my channel. To maintain and to continue updating this app requires premium paid AI tools. If you would like to support the research and development of this app, you can lend your support via my Patreon page. And a link to this page has also been placed in the description below. When you join or contribute to my Patreon, you get the following benefits. You get beta releases before public releases. Patrons get new versions days or even weeks earlier. Early change logs, so you know what's coming before anyone else. Feature voting. If there's a feature you would like implemented, patrons can submit and vote on what gets added or removed. Bug reporting. Patrons' reported issues get fixed first. Exclusive app builds with patron-only features not in the public version. So I hope you enjoyed the new features. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check out my Patreon if you would like to support, and look forward to the release of my next update.